Am I the asshole for asking my husband's sister to consider being a surrogate for us? My husband and I have been trying to get pregnant for years now, and to cut a long story short, it seems as though it's never going to happen. It took a long time to come to terms with that, but we've gradually gotten there. Our entire family is aware of the journey that we've been on and how much that it means to us. With that in mind, my husband and I came to his sister, Sarah, with a proposal. Sarah is in her early 30s, unmarried, and vocally against having children of her own. Despite this, we thought that she would be open to the idea of being a surrogate on our behalf, given that she wouldn't be having a kid on her own. And with my husband being so close to his family, he really wants the baby to be blood related, so his sister being a surrogate is really important. With that in mind, we feel that it was not out of order to ask that sort of question. We invited Sarah over for dinner, and at the end, we laid out our request. We told her that we had been saving over the years, and we would be willing to pay her as much as we would a regular surrogate, which was a pretty hefty fee, so that she would be able to take the time off of work if that was required. And that way we could help her pay for everything that she needed. Plus, we had no expectations that she would have to help us raise the kid. We told her why it was important to us and how much it would mean, and then we asked her to have an open mind about it. Sarah exploded at us. She said that we were both out of our minds for making such a request, extremely selfish, and that we had no respect for her disinterest in children. She actually left early. Right now, she's refusing to take calls from us. She even went as far as to tell my husband's parents to tell us not to contact her until she initiates it on her own. Their parents are sympathetic to us, but they say we should have never asked in the first place. My parents think that she's behaving awfully. Most of my friends are on my side, but a few said that it was really rude to ask her that when she said that she didn't want kids in the first place. It's really weighing on my mind, and honestly, I never expected this kind of outcome. She literally blocked us on every platform that she could. So, are we the assholes or is she?